this video, I'm going to highlight the H&R Block DIY self-tax filing software. Like other online tax filing software, H&R Block has a variety of pricing, from the free version for simple returns to the deluxe options for more advanced filing. Now, depending on your tax need, the price will vary. So if you're considering filing with H&R Block, this tutorial and review is for you. First, let's talk pricing options. So H&R Block has the free simple returns filing. This is for returns with Form 1040 or basic W-2 information. H&R Block claims 52% qualify for this particular service. So here is the breakdown of the qualifications for the free filing at H&R Block. Other options are the deluxe option, $35, premium for $70, and self-employed for $85. So here's an overview of the pricing and services from H&R Block. Now, similar to other filing softwares, state filing would be an additional $37 to these plans. In terms of creating an account, it is pretty easy, only takes a few minutes. You put in your basic information, create a username and a password. After, you can access your account via the website and the mobile app as well. You can use each interchangeably. You can start on one device and finish on another. Once you create an account, H&R Block will ask you how you filed your taxes previously during the last year. H&R Block is going to grab your information from the other software you used last year to fill in as much as it can find. This can save you a lot of time, or you can start from scratch manually. The menu tabs at the top give you an indication of the information to be put in and where you are in the process of tax filing. Now, first you're going to put in your personal information such as name, address, spouse information, social security, phone numbers, etc. You're going to add your filing status if you're married. You're going to add dependents and all of that important information. Now, the software is going to ask you a series of questions to guide you to the right software. After your personal information, adding your income is the next step. Again, you will be asked questions about where you received income, such as W-2s or 1099s, investments, cryptocurrency, gambling, real estate, etc. You can click on the different tabs and fill in information for the income that you received. Now, as you fill in different categories, there's going to be more questions that pop up that are geared to those particular income areas. You can enter your W-2 information in a couple different ways. You can use your EIN, your employee number. You can snap a pic of the W-2. You can upload your W-2 via PDF, or you can just enter it manually. As you add income types, the top left will have a running tab on whether you owe money to the government or you're entitled to a tax return. This changes as you input information. Next is the deduction tab. This is where the questions will determine if you should do the standard deduction or the itemized deductions. Here are the standard deduction rates for tax filing year of 2025. Now, tax credits are next. Add all the tax credits if applicable. The next tab over is the Taxes tab, which highlights taxes owed or refunds, payments for services, penalties, and adding health insurance. Next up is the Wrap-Up tab, which is the final step to prepare your federal taxes. And after your federal taxes, you will have the option to file your state taxes, which goes much faster due to already having put in most of the information. Now, the state questions alter depending on the state regulations. You can save and exit and continue at another time. You can even start with the website and end with the app or vice versa. So all in all, H&R Block is a reputable tax filing company with a user-friendly option for filing your own taxes. It's very similar to other tax filing software such as TurboTax. It is best to practice and test it out because you only pay at the end if you choose to file with H&R Block. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I also have tutorials on TurboTax. I'll put them in the description below.